Product name: Bounty Quick Size Paper Towels, White, 4 packs of 2 family rolls equals 8 family rolls, 128 count, pack of 8. Product description: don't let spills and messes get in your way. Lock in confidence with Bounty, the quicker picker-upper. This pack contains Bounty Quick Size Paper Towels. Bounty's shortest sheets are now even more absorbent for a versatile clean, versus the previous product. Shorter sheets also allow you to choose how much you use, versus select a size. About this item: 1. Pack contains 8 family rolls of Bounty Quick Size Paper Towels, equal to 20 regular rolls. 2. This pack contains 40 more sheets per pack, which mean 5 extra days worth of paper versus Bounty Select a size 8 huge roll estimated based on manufacturer data. Actual usage may vary by household. 3. Bounty, the quicker picker-upper. Do not flush. 4. 2x more absorbent versus leading ordinary brand. 5. Bounty's shortest sheets are now even more absorbent for a versatile clean, versus the previous product.